Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go over Terra. So Luna right now is trading at $2.46. 24-hour volume, we are up 43.94%, and market cap, we're up 0.89%. Heading over to our chart here, I'm going to go over our daily chart. And as we can see, we have a really good zone here for support. And the reason why I say support on a daily average is because the RSI is coming down. The price also is going to come down as well. So our support here is at $2.02. Now notice already that the resistance line and support, so it was turned into support, going into resistance is at 61% at $2.69. Now we can ultimately see this triangle here with a lot of high low peaks and hitting some areas of support. So as the bulls are, getting a little bit more weakened here, I am going to anticipate a breakout in an uptrend and ultimately going to retest the $3.06 here. You can see again on which days, September 15th here on a doji candle at September 17th as well. And we can see here Saturday on September 18th. So again, this is going to be a next area of support or resistance so long we do come up and retest the 61%. Now, if we take a look at the volume profile off to the side, there is a few areas of resistance line that is showing us some peaks of interest. And already you can see this line up from our 61% at the $2.73. We are anticipating that we are going to be, retesting this in the near future. Now, if we pull down our RSI, this is what I was talking about, how the price is going to come back down. With the RSI only at 43% is just very, very minimal. It doesn't really look like there is going to be, a uptrend that's going to occur anytime soon because the formation of the previous candlestick yesterday and the candlestick that we're seeing roughly today. So the range itself has hit a high of $2.59 here. However, the body is remaining at the very bottom here, and the body itself is quite small compared to yesterday's body too. So it shows us a lot of weakness of the buyers. The body itself is not getting any bigger from the buyers. However, they are pushing it as high as they can, but the sellers are more in control in today as well. So if we do end a candlestick such as this, what we may actually anticipate again for tomorrow is challenging the previous candlestick here that we see roughly around $2.50. If we do see more weakness of our MACD indicator, and this is actually really good of a setup, is so long as we're keeping the bars very, very small, very, very minimal here, then there is a likely chance of the momentum switching from the bear momentum into a bull momentum, and it is going to be more realistic in the next couple of days of coming back up and retesting the $2.69 phase, because ultimately we do need to retest this area in order for us to come back up and retrace the next retracement. So this area here was tested as a good support in the future once we come back up here and retest the 50% of our fib, but most importantly it was retested multiple times as a resistance line. And you guys know the more times we test a resistance line or a support line, the more that the line is weakened, and there is most potentially going to have a lot of buyers trying to break through that resistance line. All right, so immediate short term for 2 hours, I do have our ranges here of our resistance line, roughly around $2.57 to $2.62. We can see a few candlestick ranges, candlestick wicks retracing down up to this level, but most importantly, it's roughly around our golden number of our fib of 78%. Also, I do have here as well is our area of support, which is around $2.38 and $2.42. So if the price again is going through this consolidation, because what we can see is our Bollinger Bands are giving us a hint that the price is going to go sideways. So the Bollinger Bands, the more they narrow through a channel, it's going to hint the consolidation phase is going to occur. So consolidation just basically means that we are going to go into a zigzag formation. Price is going to hit resistance, get rejected, price is going to hit support, hold on to support, and vice versa. So as the price again is coming back down, we can see this gorgeous candlestick that we have so far here today. If it does end in this candlestick formation, it is known as a hammer candlestick, which is a bullish candlestick observed at a very downtrend. Not only that, but we can see here that the RSI is being challenged at 7% and 10%. Considered that we are oversold, we may see a crossover initiating a buying opportunity. Now, if we take a look at our next current retracement level from the 38% here is our 20 moving average, which is treated as a resistance and a support line. Not only that, as I zoom out, we can see that the supply zone of our volume profile shows these two nodes sticking out. This is an area of interest because this accumulated at this dollar amount high volumes in buying or selling. So again, it's treated as a resistance or support. So we are going to come back and retest this area of resistance around our 20 moving average and around these peaks of interest, most importantly in our next retracement level of 38%, which is $2.47. If we're able to hold on to our MACD indicator momentum in this green at this area, then we are going to ultimately break it and continue upwards in our retracement levels for a resistance. However, if we do see the green turn into red at this area of interest, we are going to come back down and keep in mind the areas of support that I showed you here, as we may be testing the support sooner than we know it. So that's my video for Terra. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video insightful, like, subscribe, and comment down below. It's definitely going to help me in the growth of my channel, but I'll see you next time. Bye.